Hi, it's JP from Max Tr3 Revival, back at it. I'm a little disappointed. I got the clips all locked in on the backing plate here and was watching reruns of another video that Chef Tush had done and noticed he had mentioned that the assembly needs to kind of slide back and forth. I guess that's the way it's designed, and I purchased new clips to put this all together. Mine are rather tight. In other words, there's not a whole lot of movement. I think I'm gonna have to take it apart again. Hate redoing the same job 3 and 4 times, but part of the learning process. I'm gonna mic out the ones that I received against the ones that were in there and see if it's actually the clips themselves or if there's too much paint or I need to make an adjustment on the metal in order to give it more room so it can move. At this point, I guess I'll have to tear it apart, figure out what's going on. Well, here we go with attempt number 3. First, I got the clips on the wrong side. Then I took it apart and I got them back on the right side and then realized my current issue. So I used a red Scotch-Brite and thinned up the paint on both sides of the backing plate and then gave it a quick little shot of clear. And I'll try reassembly here as soon as the paint dries up, and we'll see if that's going to fix my issue. This is some more of the smaller bits that I've had soaking in a cleaning solution. These are some of the bolts that I'm going to need to put everything back together. The grease nipples and the brake shoe springs. I have an unboxing that I need to take care of as well. Pretty sure I know what parts are in there. Get the box opened up, pull a few parts out, and see what we can add to the list. So that's a seal that we need. That was for the front pinion. Also picked up a kit, which is the U-joints and the bolts for the rear end. And then the 2 other seals that we need for the outer axle. So everything that we need in order to finish up. This would be next on the list. Doesn't say it, but we'll need to paint the drive shaft, then replace the U-joints, then lube everything up and put it all back together. I guess one would say I'm a little frustrated at this point with these parts, so decided to pull out the drive shaft. And since the unboxing of the U-joints, might switch gears and work on the drive shaft just to get my mind off of my issues with the backing plates and the wheel cylinders. You know, sometimes it helps out if you change the direction and do something different and then come back and hit your problem child at another point. Definitely have plenty of work that I need to do. I just need to pick something else like this and go for it. And I think at this point I'm going to end this video, and then if I get the brake backing plates reassembled and the cylinders have some movement and I'm able to reattach them to the rear and see if we can't get that complete. I just feel like I need to take a break, work on something else.